Assalamu alaikum and hello. Eid al-Fitr is a celebration marking the end of the month of Ramadan. It can be translated literally as the festival of breaking of the fast. Eid celebrations are different again this year, and we would like to share some practical advice on how we can all celebrate safely. Here are some of our top tips. In advance of the day of Eid, pay your Zakat al-Fitr online rather than in person. The focus of the day is the Eid prayer, and each mosque will have done their own risk assessment and guidance will vary, so do check the plans of your local mosque in advance. On the way to the Eid prayer, say Eid takbirs quietly. Evidence suggests that the virus has spread greater distances by talking loudly or shouting. Your mosque will have multiple Eid congregations to allow people to maintain a social distance and prevent overcrowding. Some mosques may ask you to book a place in advance. Mosques should be well ventilated and you must still wear a mask unless you are exempt.
There may be local arrangements to pray Eid prayer outdoors, for example, in a park. This will allow social distancing, and because there's thought to be a lower risk of transmission of coronavirus outdoors. This will only be possible in agreement with the local Director of Public Health and the local authority, who will assess if it is safe. Of course, do not attend the Eid prayer at all if you have coronavirus symptoms. It would be safer to perform the Eid prayer at home while isolating. When greeting community members or those outside your household or bubble, maintain your distance and don't hug each other. We know it will feel strange, but try to use a non-contact form of greeting to minimise the risk of spread. Keep Eid celebrations with your household or support bubble if indoors. If you are outdoors, you can meet in groups of up to 2 households or up to 6 people from any number of households. Again, you must social distance. We can still give food and gifts by leaving them on the doorstep, just like we've been doing for the past year. Many of you will have had your coronavirus vaccine and know that it is still important to follow national guidance. So remember, hands, face, space and fresh air. Let's keep our communities and loved ones safe this Eid. Eid Mubarak.
From me, Eid Mubarak.